Doesn't it look so good? Here. Absolutely delicious. If you want to learn how to make these delicious chocolate coconut almond treats, then what? Keep watching this video. So here I have 2 cups of chocolate chips, and these of course are vegan chocolate chips. I'm using some coconut oil, just a little bit. You don't need this coconut oil, but I'm just using a little bit of it, not much. Mix it all around. I'm gonna put this on top of boiling hot water and periodically stir it around until it melts down. And that's what it looks like, all melted, yummy and delicious. I love chocolate. If you love chocolate, if you're a big chocolate lover, you're gonna absolutely love this recipe. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you love chocolate. If you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell to get all your notifications. Again, what I love about this is that it's no bake. It's simple and easy and delicious. What I'm doing now is I'm going to line these muffin tins with baking cups. And once again, you make this with your kids for Easter as well. And if you live in a dorm, this is easy and simple to make, and it's delicious. I'm gonna get my spoon, and then I'm just gonna get the chocolate. Don't want to make too much of a mess with it. And I'm just gonna put it all in the bottom here. Okay, so that's my chocolate, and that's what it looks like. It's halfway. Once again, I'm just gonna take this to the refrigerator and have it set, and then I'm gonna come back and put the rest of the ingredients on there. All right, so we'll be back. So my chocolate is set. I had it in the freezer just so we can speed up the process, but you can put it in the refrigerator and have it set. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take almonds, just like 3 or 4, however many you want. I'm just gonna throw a few almonds in there. I love these treats. They are so yummy. Get the remainder chocolate. And I'm gonna try to make this as less messy as possible. I'm trying, okay? Guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? You love healthy meals. You love weight loss tips. I know you do. I know you're watching it. So why not? Just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm pretty much just covering everything, these almonds, with the chocolate. These make for such a delicious treat. You can make them for Easter with your kids. You can make them to go to work. You can make them just to eat and have a good time, right? I make these all the time. I take them with me to work when I need a nice, tasty chocolate treat. I know what I'm eating. I know what I'm putting in my body. I don't have to worry about anything, because guess what? I made them, and I know what it's all about. The coconut butter. Yes, man. Put a little bit of that coconut butter right there. Coconut butter. The piece of resistance. So these delicious coconut treats. No bake. No bake. I said no bake. So you are good. They are gluten-free. Paleo friendly. They are delicious. No dairy. I mean, really, Maxine's Corner, you've outdone yourself. There's nothing else that needs to be said. Maxine's Corner has outdone herself. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you love chocolate like the way I do, excuse me, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I'm using 1/2 cup of coconut flakes. You can also use the roasted coconut flakes. I would love to have used that, but I actually really didn't have any. This is what it looks like. Now we're gonna sit this back in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and let it set, and then we're gonna take it out and see what it looks like, right? So let me go put this in the refrigerator and let it set, and then I'll come right back and show you the final resistance deliciousness. What? All right. Look at this almond. Look, doesn't it look so good? Here. Absolutely delicious. And they are no bake, they are gluten-free, and they are paleo friendly, correct? Yes. All right, so that's all I have for you guys for Maxine's Corner. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a... That's all I have for you guys for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Check out a few of these other videos as well. And what? Stay healthy.